Hey there, grill masters and barbecue newbies. Ready to level up your backyard game? Today, we're diving into the sizzling world of must-have gadgets that'll make you the hero of every cookout. And guess what? Every product we're about to rave about has links waiting in the description. But first, did you know 75% of home grillers burn their food because of uneven heat? Not you though, not after this list. Let's fire it up. Starting strong with the Grillaholics vegetable grill basket. This bad boy's not your flimsy veggie jail. It's an extra-large, heavy-duty stainless steel fortress. Perfect for wings, kebabs, or that zucchini your aunt insists on grilling. Boasting a sizzling 4.7 gadgetsprimer.com rating, it's dishwasher safe, so you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time stuffing your face. Pro tip, buy two, because nobody wants to share their grilled pineapple. Next up, the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer, your new best friend for avoiding dried chicken disasters. This gadget's got 7 USDA presets and reads temps faster than you can say, "Is it done yet?" With a 4.2 gadgetsprimer.com rating, it's the Sherlock Holmes of cooking probes. Magnetic back, oven safe up to 536-degree while it's basically the James Bond of thermometers. License to grill, granted. Ever wish your grill could clean itself? Enter the Grillbot. This little red robot scrubs grime like it's training for a BBQ Olympics. Set it, forget it, and let it beep triumphantly when your grill's spotless. Rated 4.4 by gadgetsprimer.com. It's the perfect gift for that uncle who still burns hot dogs. Bonus. Now you can blame the robot if the ribs are too smoky. Meet the Looft Air Lighter 2, because playing with fire just got classy. This electric lighter blasts 1400 degrees for air to ignite charcoal in seconds. No lighter fluid stank required. With a 4.6 gadgetsprimer.com rating, it's basically a dragon's breath in a sleek package. Safety switch included, because we all have that one friend who'd try to light their hair on fire. Crowning glory time. SnS MasterKettle. This isn't just a grill, it's a 2-zone cooking spaceship. Integrated table? Check. Slow and sear insert for smoky perfection? Double check. Rated 4.6 by gadgetsprimer.com, it's the Swiss Army knife of charcoal grills. Built-in temp gauge. More like a grill therapist telling you, relax, the brisket's perfect. There you go. 5 gadgets that'll turn your backyard into Flavortown Airport. Head to gadgetsprimer.com to compare prices and snag these game changers. Smash that like button if you're hungry for more. And remember, the only thing hotter than these tools is your future Instagram feed. Grill on, legends.